Jinnah Saab has started a Crocs manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu within a record 1 year timeline. And it's a landmark project inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Further, he strengthens India's industrial ecosystem by collaborating 32 foreign companies, bringing them to India, which nobody has done yet. And he's also working on to bring Adidas into India. He is a hero. He's a hero for us in the business front. As someone building and scaling business in Tamil Nadu, what are the ongoing challenges that investors and entrepreneurs face today? And what changes would significantly accelerate investment flows?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. And thank you for this, Ahmed Bhai, brother, to invite me for this event. So I would like to tell you it's a good question for me because I'm a person who is invested now. So I would like to tell about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has ease of doing business. And now all the states in India is trying to implement. So doing an investment, after doing an investment in Tamil Nadu, starting an international factory and producing it, doing it in a year. So I got invitation from 6-7 states, chief ministers, as I told in the previous meetings. So whenever they quote, the first footwear policy was launched in Tamil Nadu. After Tamil Nadu launching in 2022, other states in India launched this policy. So they made little better policies, but the first state to launch is Tamil Nadu. The Guidance Bureau of Tamil Nadu is really working very hard under the direct supervision of the Chief Minister and Industrial Minister. And here, yesterday you would have seen the Industrial Minister didn't have time. He was rushing for another meeting. So this is how these people work in Tamil Nadu. So I'm not talking about political or anything. I'm talking about the system operating Tamil Nadu today. And one more thing, the entire global brands. Now I work with brands. I'm working with Crocs, I'm working with Adidas, I work with kickers, I work with component manufacturers. So when I work with Design Studio in Italy, I work with a lot of international brands directly. What I learn from them, what I understand from them, they all want to come to India. But whenever they think they want to come to India, there is a mind they have is Tamil Nadu. When the comfort, the feel, they have got information, they have experienced from the past experience in Tamil Nadu. If you see any international factories for 20 years in Tamil Nadu. See, Kothari is an 100 years old company. In 1950s, 56, Kamaraj and Muradesa inaugurated our fertilizer factory. In our group, the 1950s to 60, up to 70s, we had 13 industries in Tamil Nadu. See, what I would like to share, Tamil Nadu is a state where the people are so close, so easily acceptable for industrial investments. Now I'm coming to the comfort. See, I want to tell you, my brother, the excuse is the only reason for the delay. Government is not like before. Now government is, all these state governments are highly competitive. See, they are ready to offer, I can't mention the NDA with you, they are ready to offer anything to bring the business employment to the state. And now we are talking about 4 trillion. And I'm sure I wanted to, because as a minor part, I feel I can contribute to that. See, per capita income, each and everybody income is very important. See, I put my first factory in Perambalur. When I went there, there was no factory. There is one tire factory which gives 300 people employment, mostly from North India. When I went, I was given 1,75,000 resumes for job. I was shocked. So when I called for interview, I had a problem where thousands of people gathered in front of my factory, and I need to call police and other people to control for asking for employment. So what I want to say, I decided Perambalur. Everybody asked me, Rafiq, this footwear is in North Arka district. Why do you, even my partner used to say, why do we have to go to the new place? I said, no, we have to take it to the most backward area, then we give value. I convinced him. I convinced everyone. And I brought that factory. Today, I'm telling you, the initial stage, the wastage was 70%. In the initial stage, when I manufactured a Croc shoe, I lost 70%. But today the wastage is 13%, skilling up. I can see the women of Perambulur who were from a farmer or a housewife who was not exposed to any industry. Today, they are talking English. Yes, we can do it. So I saw the success there. So I also wanted to add to you, this has all happened, creating a factory in a year. Where I've already, I don't want to take much of the time because I've already told you about the past experience, how I built a factory in a year time and another thing. But without the support of the government, right from the chief minister, from the secretary one, chief secretary, industrial secretary, guidance bureau, SIPCOT, each and every, I can name the officials. So everybody is keen to support the industry. So Tamil Nadu, if really an investor want to do a business, if you want to establish a factory, please accept excuse. There is no other really. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Sir, when you said, when you wanted people to come and join, like there are 175,000 applications, people are thronging. That's not a problem. I think that's our strength. We have that much of human resource which no other country has. So only thing is we have to create jobs and place them there.
So I wanted to match with my brother. He was talking about the 4 trillion growth all over the map. That is why I'm trying to fill up wherever there is no area I can go and fill there. So next is in Karur.
That's a noble thought.
And Adidas, we have already, construction is the final stage. February we'll be launching Adidas. But we are also tying up in other backward district. I even have Ahmad Annan's district. So Ramanathapuram has also a challenge of employment. So I have other districts in Tamil Nadu. I'll make sure there won't be no backward district in Tamil Nadu. And this 4 trillion, please don't depend on Tuticorin, Chennai, Coimbatore and other states. You will see other different districts in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Exactly, sir. Like, what is there in our heart, you're doing it. What we used to talk about is when the disparity between the urban wealth and the rural wealth, when it comes down, only then we can call our state as a developed state or a country as a developed country, which you are doing it. I've been talking, but you are doing it. Thank you very much for that. And one more point I want to add is while doing business, I know government is supporting, but one place where we need to focus is on the systems. Even government, even if they want to help us, because the systems are there in place, has got old systems, complications are there. Slowly we need to.
No. Actually, now, my brother, now they have maximum made user-friendly. So you don't need to go to any government office. You can apply all the licenses online. We have a single window system. It is not only for corporate. It is for MSME. It is for even a person who has invested 10 lakhs or 1 crore. And they give more preferences for MSME and small segment businesses. Because what I want to see, when I go and wait to see an industrial secretary, I see a MSME investor with a small project meeting the secretary and coming out. That is how the government is supporting today. I have seen it personally.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
He was talking about design, so I was very happy to hear that. So I have signed up with the Italian Design Institute, one of the best in the world, and we have already partnered in UK in Indian Embassy. So we're bringing it to Tamil Nadu, and we are planning to bring it to Hosur. So Bangalore is also nearby. So very soon we will start the university. So design and skill, as he said, that's very important. We should have an Indian brand in future. Indian brand should be global brand. So that is a shortage. In small state as a brand, small country as a brand, India should have a global brand.
Sir, the next 10 20 years, where do you see the strongest private sector opportunities in green energy, electronics, logistics, high-tech manufacturing, digital services, or consumer products?
Yeah. See, if you talk about next 20 years, I believe so we will be economically superpower in next 10 years, but you're talking about 20 years anyway. India, see, if you see, everybody has traveled all over the world. So I always see India with China. So if you see India, in the entire if you take all the oil companies, entire oil manufacturing company, including PSU, if you see one factory in China, they do that. So they are massive producers, in everything, in footwear, anything. I took the government officials to a factory in China. So it is almost, if you say, 100,000 people work in one factory, and it's one world's largest producing factory. What I want to say you, when now India is now looking into expansion. Now India is looking into growth, and if you see the market size, India's market size is very big. So you lined up with a lot of things. So everything is connected with one, that is business. So when we produce something, India is going to be the biggest market. And with affordability. So everybody started spending here. Today I don't see, I run a chain of restaurant. I see the young generation never see the bill. So I remember in my school days when I come out of Crescent, we go for outings, and we see the bill, we check the payment, how much we have, and then we spend money accordingly. The friends, 4-5 people used to share. What I want to tell today, the spending power is increased. So the market, my perception, business, all the area, whatever he said, as a very good opportunity, especially B2C. See, what I suggest to a lot of entrepreneurs, startup, they can focus on B2C. B2C will give good future because that fear can be overcome. B2C people can concentrate. It will have good future. And one more thing is investment. I want to complete fast. See, the entire globe is looking into investing into India. So now the next option is India. So they are not ready to go anywhere else. But they have some fear. See, the positive thing you have to see, the Ford, which has gone out of India, has come back to Chennai. So that is a positive message you get. They were happy here. They had a very good exit. So they're coming back again. So that is what Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu will have a very big future in next 20 years. I personally feel India will be the economically superpower, and Tamil Nadu will be number one in India. Thank you.
Excellent, sir.